In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Elevenlabs account. This process is straightforward and I will guide you through each step to ensure a smooth experience from start to finish. Let's begin by heading to your Elevenlabs dashboard. If you're already logged into your account, you should see your dashboard as soon as you open the site. The dashboard is the central hub where you can manage all aspects of your Elevenlabs account, making it the primary area you need to access for this task. Once you're in your dashboard, your next move is to click on your profile. You'll typically find your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Clicking this will bring up a menu with various account management options. This is where you start your journey to account deletion, so make sure you're in the right place. After clicking on your profile, you'll see a range of options available to customize or modify different aspects of your account. Here, you need to look for the Settings option. It's usually labeled quite clearly, often as Settings or something similar. Click on this to be taken to the Settings page, which will display more detailed options regarding your account preferences and configurations. Now that you're in the Settings section, the next step is critical. Look for the option that says Delete Account. It's important to note here that the Delete Account button is usually positioned in such a way that prevents accidental clicks, so you might need to scroll a bit or look carefully through the list of options presented. When you find it, click on Delete Account. Before you proceed, it's essential to understand that deleting your account will permanently remove all your data associated with Elevenlabs. This includes any projects, settings, and preferences you've saved. Be certain that you want to proceed, as this action cannot be undone, and recovery of your data will not be possible once your account is deleted. After you click Delete Account, you may be asked to confirm your decision. This is a standard security measure to ensure that account deletions are intentional. You might need to enter your password or go through a confirmation process. Simply follow any of the on-screen instructions provided to finalize the deletion. Once confirmed, your account will be scheduled for deletion. You should receive a notification, either on the site or via email, confirming that your account deletion request has been received and processed. It's always a good idea to double-check your email for any last-minute confirmations or updates. And that's it. You've successfully navigated through the process of deleting your Elevenlabs account. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Have a great day.